video is sponsored and in collaboration with Midea. So Midea offers a portable air conditioner, which is perfect for the summer holiday. This portable air conditioner offers special functions, including timer on, timer off, sleep curve check, energy monitor, bill control check. It has a window installation kit. It also has an adjustable window slider. So as you see, it offers you wireless, swing, sleep, timer, speed, and mode. You have your power button there. And it's just a very, very convenient way to get your place cool. So you're also going to have your instruction manual. Now, when you first set up your portable air conditioner, you want to choose the right location. And how convenient that it has a remote control. I thought that was really, really awesome. So when you select the auto operation, it will automatically select cooling. The air conditioner will control the room temperature automatically around the temperature point set by you. Now, one feature that I really enjoy about this unit is that it is not too large, so it doesn't take up that much space. This is definitely a space saver, yet it is going to get your room very, very cool when it is hot outside, and that is exactly what we're looking for during the summer season. On warmer days, a portable air conditioner is just what you will need to keep your space nice and cool. This portable air conditioner is functional yet affordable. Convenient for cooling your room. When purchasing your portable air conditioner, make sure to check your window length and type. You want to check the window length and choose the fit for your window slider. So how to stay cool with a new portable air conditioner? Well, first you want to make sure what you are looking for when purchasing a portable air conditioner. And you want to make sure that it's the right air conditioner that's going to help you cool a room efficiently. This air conditioner got my room quite cool, and I was very, very impressed. Would I recommend this air conditioner? Yes, I would, and that is my honest opinion. So if you're interested in purchasing you a Midea portable air conditioner, check the description box down below. There will be links provided there.